I'm Matt Sherwood, Gillette, Wyoming at the Marquiss Ranch with Tate, Trigger, and Jen Marquiss. These are the famous stud horses that everything we're demoing is out of. Dollar, we took pictures of Dollar, and I don't know what they're doing up here in Wyoming, but this horse is so gentle and felt like he was half asleep all the time. Let's see you walk around and pick his feet up. Again, this horse is super gentle. I don't see any marks on this horse, besides little scratches or anything, but no scars. Super easy, super gentle. Like I said, we were taking pictures of him and it felt like he was just asleep the whole time. Horse is super gentle to be around, to walk around. Everything we've done with him has just been just a pleasure. So. So just got done riding Dollar. Watched Trigger ride him first, roped him around, headed a couple on the sled, heeled a couple. For a 3-year-old, this horse is a little bit bigger. I thought this horse was 4 or 5 years old. For a 3-year-old, this horse is so gentle. Like, you watched him, he roped all over him. The horse just trotted along, loped along there, and stayed in position until he roped and stopped. Just stood there. You know, if you watched on the video, whenever he was building his rope, that horse just stood completely still. He didn't prance all over and move his feet. He let that boy build his loop and just stayed super gentle. The Jane said, I would put my grandma on that horse. You know, this horse is just dead-headed, level-headed, calm, and, you know, obviously still super green. Not trying to show him as a started rope horse or finished rope horse, but you can see how good he just lets you rope the sled and track around. And they said they ride him out. He's just like this to ride out, gentle, easy to be around. We took pictures this morning. This horse hasn't done one thing that was wild or spooky or moving around. You know, he's just super level, and I think anyone could take this horse that wants something gentle and easy to work with, or somebody that wants to train their own horse and turn this into a great rope horse. She said he's bred. This horse should have plenty of run to be a head horse. He's built, to me, going to be built more like a head horse, but I think you could take this horse and do whatever you wanted to with him. Anybody.